How to post a new job in LinkedIn. Open LinkedIn on any of the browser you have on your PC, sign in and you will be seeing this type of interface. You can find jobs right next to My Network. Just go ahead and tap on jobs. On the left hand side is post a free job. Go ahead and click on this pen and paper icon and you will be headed to this page over here. Now what you need to do is write down the job title. So I'll just go ahead and write down the title of Do Not Maker. So I'll just go ahead and write it down. After you do this, you can see that it's quite easy. So if you find it, just go ahead and write it down and click on Start with My Job Description. The job description could be anything. So for me, I'm going to write Donor Relations Specialist. So you can see this option over here. What you need to write down is some of the responsibilities, what you need to do, or what this position needs to do, some of the qualifications like skill, education, experience. After you post this, just go ahead and click on Continue. So you can see that you must edit it before you do it. Otherwise, you cannot post this. So just go ahead and tap on Continue. You can see that there are options of adding in screening questions. Rejection settings are also there. You can enable or disable it. And you can see that you can manage the applicants. Go ahead and tap on Continue. You can add in your ideal questions. After you add in questions, just like the must have a 0 to 2 experience and something else. You can also write down the preferred questions or qualifications over here. And after that, you can click on Post Job for free. Once you do this, the job will be posted. You can find new people, you can review your applicants, and you can do all of this. So guys, this is how easy it is to post a job. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.